Hey, got another one of those giant wind turbine videos for you. And so they've got a big crane here, and they've got a few things to assemble, and we'll see how far they get today. But I'm not going to stay long, but if we can get some action from the big crane, that would be really good. Let me show you some of those big giant propeller blades. Check that guy out, he's on the blades there. Size reference, we'll zoom back. They're going to put these blades up, I guess, shortly. I don't know if we'll catch it on camera today, but they're getting ready. Look at the size of those things. Massive blades. Anyways, here's the crane. Huge crane. They've got it hanging over top of the road. There's nothing to pick up over there, but maybe they're waiting for something. A couple of guys there by the end of that winch. Anyways, so they've got a main body section part of the tower to put up. It's right there, and then after that it would be, I guess, the generator and then the blades. Okay, right now they're lowering the boom on that winch, and they have got something attached now to the end of it, and so they're just pulling up the slack on the cables, making the boom lower so that the cables are less long. Now they got that crane really low. Look at it, it's just barely over the road, and here it looks like it's pretty much touching the ground. So give me a second here and I'll record some more once they start lifting. Okay guys, I'm getting myself a little distracted here. I've waited here about 20 minutes for something to happen, but across the field, way over there, they've got another unit that's being assembled, and they're just about to, they're ready to lift the top section of that tower. So I'm, well, should I stay and wait and see what these guys are going to do? Or do I go? Oh, you guys should tell me. This should be live, and then you could just tell me, go there or stay. But guys, we're going to go. We're going to go check out the other project. Okay, so we're at the other site, and you can see the crane in the background there, and up on top right there you can see a couple of guys up there. They're going to receive the next tower section. You see how small those guys are there. Just little guys. So anyways, this thing is already hanging off the ground a little bit, and nothing has happened here for about 10-15 minutes. That tower, the whole thing, I think it comes in 3 pieces. 2 of the pieces are already assembled, and I think they're a little shorter each piece than the part that they're going to put on now. This looks like a longer part, the top one, and it's also tapered. The bottom parts, they seem to be quite straight, and the top part has kind of a taper right to the top. Okay, so it looks like they've got it high enough now. You can see there it's higher than the base section of the tower, and they've also got something hanging off the bottom of it. You see, what? Not sure what that is. Could be a box of tools or bolts or something. So the other guys, they're waiting for it there. So just my luck, there's that crane that we left behind before. Now we don't know what they're doing there. They're lifting something, but hey, that's okay. We got some action going on here. So where's my tower? Here it is. Looks like they're bringing it down. Just a little gap left yet. I can't see the guys inside anymore. And but they got to offset that thing a little bit. They've got to move that thing over a little bit, and they should have her made. There's some pretty heavy-duty bolts, I would imagine, that hold that whole thing together. So we'll wait here just a little bit. I think this whole process, I've probably waited since they started moving it, maybe, oh, there they go, it's lined up now. Well, they got just a little gap to fill in there yet. They're probably lining up bolts or something in there. But anyways, let's go back across the field. Remember that crane that we left behind before? Well, they got that thing straight up, looks like. So we should go over there and see what we missed. So here we are back at that original site that we left behind before. You know, and I can't see that they did anything. The crane is standing pretty straight up, and I can't see that they're moving it right now. And I don't know what they did out in the field over there. And so, whatever. But this is all a very interesting project. It's all stuff I haven't seen before, you know. So I'll be back.